ELROND vary all plans and purposes past worth examination. According to the latest data gathered, the continuous expense of ELROND in every way that really matters sort of is 5512. And EGLD basically is by and by situated in the especially beautiful entire crypto climate in a genuinely enormous manner, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The core supply of ELROND in every way that really matters is 22,528,245 with a market cap of 1,241,866,593. In an all things considered significant way in the past 24 hours, the crypto explicitly really has been reduced by 348 in its continuous decently kind of worth in a very enormous way, as opposed to prevalent thinking, expecting we essentially really examine the continuous business area cap of the EGLD. With yesterday's you can quite all goals and purposes see that the market cap for the most part by and large is furthermore down in an exceptionally enormous manner from latest 7 days. The EGLD generally was in entirely of extraordinary especially truly vertical example and extended by 914 in a fundamentally certainly significant manner, in an unobtrusive manner. ELROND sort of generally has shown solid areas for outstandingly as of late, and this could be fair, a kind of really open way to make a plunge and sort of contribute in an unobtrusive manner, or so they truly thought inside the latest 1 month. The expense of EGLD reduced by 67,129. Shutting an extraordinary normal measure of 11,258 from its continuous worth, which vary is genuinely huge in a by and large significant manner. This surprising down suggests that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the genuinely present time, suggesting that it will in general explicitly be a good buy, a really open entryway for expedient endeavor, or so they for the most part generally thought in an all things considered enormous way. The 90 days cost change fundamentally basically is close 7751. And the expense orbited from a base ordinary expense of 24,021 to generally sort of especially outrageous genuinely typical expense of 25,005 in the past 90 days, in a by and large enormous manner, in an unobtrusive manner. ELROND basically certainly is someplace close 7847. With the most really outrageous run of the mill cost of the coin was around 41,612. And the base regular worth of explicitly was around 35,168 in past 4 months, in an in every practical sense, significant way. ELROND EGLD worth assumption gauge for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030. At prediction we basically sort of predict future ELROND cost assumption signal check. Most by and large outrageous level of 36,418. With the regular expense of 32,260 all through 2025 or so they thought, which generally is very huge. ELROND worth gauge 2026 ELROND cost certainly is gauge to for the most part show up at a kind of the actually the most unpossible level of 44,674 in 2026, which certainly sort of is very critical, which is very huge. As per our disclosures, the EGLD cost could generally in every way that really matters show up at a most especially outrageous possible level of 54,528, with the ordinary check cost of 45,965, in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. ELROND worth gauge 2027. According to our significant pretty exceptionally concentrated assessment, unreasonably kind of past worth data of EGLD in 2027. The expense of ELROND essentially is gauged to sort of most certainly be at around a base, actually especially worth of 61,940 in an in every practical sense, significant way. The ELROND esteem kind of really worth can show up at a restriction of 77,834, with the run of the mill trading fundamentally worth of 64,238 in USD. which for the most part is very huge. ELROND EGLD worth estimate 2028. The expense of ELROND by and large is expected to in a real sense, for the most part reach at the fundamentally minimal kind of genuinely worth of 89,847 in 2028. In a very huge manner, the ELROND cost could for the most part show up at a biggest sort of worth of 107,227. With the ordinary trading cost of 92,417 all through. 2028 incredibly ELROND worth Assumptiongauge 2029 as per the gauge and reasonably especially particular assessment in 2029. The expense of ELROND generally should in a real sense explicitly reach in any event commonly worth of 130,576 in a pretty really significant manner. The EGLD cost can in every practical sense show up at a biggest worth, especially truly worth of 157,158. With the common certainly kind of worth of 134,272, which fundamentally for the most part is very huge in a significant manner. ELROND EGLD worth assumption 2030. The expense of ELROND fundamentally explicitly is expected to basically explicitly reach at the extremely kind of much the least certainly worth of 189,713 in 2030. Actually by and large in spite of mainstream thinking in opposition to prevalent thinking, the ELROND cost could by and large basically show up at a generally especially really outrageous worth of 224,628, with the common trading cost of 195,084 all through 2030 or so. They for the most part in every practical sense thought in a by and large significant way. ELROND worth conjecture 2031 ELROND cost really is measured to all things considered show up at a most decreased possible level of 278,412 in 2031 in an unobtrusive manner in a very huge way. As per our revelations, the EGLD cost could in a real sense generally show up at an undoubtedly especially outrageous possible level of 327,573, with the commonplace measure cost of 286,216 genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Where and how to buy ELROND EGLD, which essentially is very huge. There certainly are a couple of cryptographic cash exchanges where you can buy ELROND in every practical sense beautiful significant way and in every way that really matters enormous way anyway. Kind of special crypto stages have different ways to deal with buying EGLD tokens, which most certainly sort of is very critical. Examine this one small step at a time guide on where and how to buy ELROND in an extremely enormous manner. ELROND worth guess facts. What in a real sense is the ELROND cost today? In an unobtrusive manner today, ELROND EGLD explicitly really is trading at 5512 with the market cap of 1,241,866,593,000 in an unobtrusive manner in a significant way. What will commonly explicitly be the